Updating your email address on eBay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section, usually found under your profile icon. Click on Account Settings to proceed. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for Personal Information. Click on this option to view your current email address and other personal details. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the section for your email address and click on Edit. Enter your new email address and confirm it by typing it again if prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you've completed these steps, your email address will be updated on eBay. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages to ensure everything is set correctly.